more doses are heading to Colorado. That is the word anyway from the Biden administration this week, saying it will start shipping doses to pharmacies and community health centers.
Denver 7's Megan Lopez spoke with White House officials about their COVID relief plan and got the governor's reaction.
Senate set to go into session.
While the U.S. Senate begins the impeachment trial for Donald Trump down Pennsylvania Avenue,
the president wants us to be able to vaccinate as many Americans as possible.
The Biden administration is trying to keep the focus on the nation's COVID response. In an interview with Denver 7, the White House announced today it will be ramping up the vaccine supply for states.
We're increasing that up to 11 million vaccines per week. That's a 28% increase just since we came into office.
During a press conference Tuesday, Governor Jared Polis talked about a phone call between Biden's team and governors and the communication they're getting from the federal level.
What's gotten better? Increased supply, now with the announcement of 9,000 more a week, 3-week visibility into supply, twice weekly deliveries.
The president's team also tells Denver 7 some of the additional vaccines are heading to pharmacies and community health clinics, saying these programs
are key to helping ensure communities of color, other underserved communities, receive the vaccine.
But Polis and other governors across the country have some concerns with that announcement.
We want to make sure that states are in a position to hold those pharmacies and community health clinics accountable to using their doses.
He wants to be able to guarantee that those clinics and pharmacies are using their vaccine doses quickly. And if they're not, he wants to be able to hold them accountable. The increased supply also doesn't include Johnson & Johnson vaccines, and the governor says states are being left in the dark about that.
I think there's increasing frustration about the lack of visibility into the quantity of Johnson & Johnson supply. What we should know is when and if it's approved, what those quantities look like first week, second week, third week.
For now, though, the White House insists it's doing what it can to help states recover from COVID.
We know we have a lot more to do, but that's a key way that we're every week increasing the supply as more vaccines are being manufactured.
Megan Lopez, Denver 7.